Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you verify your identity in Cashapp. So what we're going to do first is launch our Cashapp, and from the home screen of Cashapp, what we want to do is go to the upper right hand corner and click on our little profile image icon, and in our account settings page, we want to scroll down and find where it says security and privacy and click on that, and we can see in the security and privacy area, if we scroll down, we can find where it says identity verification. We're going to click on this next to verify. So it says let's verify your identity to help prevent fraud on Cash App. We have to collect some info to check that you are really used. So the first thing you're going to do is confirm some personal information. So click on this option right here, enter in your date of birth, then enter in the last 4 digits of your social security number, then enter your current address, and this is going to be the address that you're currently living at. And then if you enter in all that information correctly, in the final page it says information verified, and if you'd like to learn more, you can select that option here. Otherwise, we can click done at the bottom. The next step in this process is going to be verifying using a photo ID. So we're going to click on that option next. All photos are encrypted, so your information stays private. If you want, you can read over the privacy and retention policies, and then once you want to move on, you can click continue, and then you can select which form of ID you want to use to verify. I'm going to be using driver's license, but you can also use a state ID or passport permanent residence card. But like I said, for this example, I'm using driver license. So I'm going to click on that, and you need to allow Cash App permission to use your camera to take your picture. And after taking pictures of the front and back of my ID, it's going to go through this loading page where it is checking the photos. And after doing that, it's going to take a photo of yourself so that your photo and ID have matched for them to verify your identity. So again, we can click continue, and then it will check over your photos, and it will take a little bit of time for it to check during this process. And if everything goes well, your identity will be verified, and then we can again click done at the bottom. And at this point, we should be all good to go with our identity being verified. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.